Hello and welcome my friend, and then my friend, I am planning to help you, my friend who asked that how to open this stuck radiator cap hat with pliers. And now I have really situation that there are this radiator and this is radiator cap hat, and now if this is too stuck that I could not open that, I need to use pliers, these extra tools. And let's go to look at how this system works. And now if we have really hard opening this radiator cap hat, we need pliers, and these work so that when I move this my opening device in that way and then in this way, we can adjust this opening amount in here. And let's go to look closer because this is really interesting. Okay, now we have nice view, and there's really, when I open this my tool, I can change this amount. Now we have small cap to small bolts, and then when we have bigger bolt, I change that in here, and now we have bigger area. And in this my specific radiator cap hat, I can install this my tool in here in that way, and actually a little bit bigger in this way. And then when I start to press that, I can rotate this my cap hat in this way. Good. And really, when I open this radiator cap hat, this idea is with this metallic pliers that I install this my tool carefully in here, and not too much force, only little of this compression, so much that there is no any slippery, and then all time I compress that tool in here, and same time I rotate that cap hat, and in this way we can open any of these hard opening radiator cap hat in this way. And this is this idea that if we have hard opening cap hat, we need pliers in that way, and then all of these cap hats opens nicely. Excellent. And you might think that what is this car? This is Toyota Camry car, and sometimes Toyota's parts can be also stuck. Thank you, my friend, and see you in next movie.